Uy, ang pangat yan, oh. Okay. Nang, ikaw lang una. Ikaw lang una. Kontak na, Nay. Lights, camera, action. Grabe naman, nakaka-excite. Sino ka naman picture natin?
That's right, Nay. Sana ma-add yung picture natin, no? Okay na yan, kasi nakauna. Okay na lang. That's right, Nay.
Morning, class. Good morning, ma'am.
Morning, ma'am.
Okay. Ako nga pala si Angel Montemayor. At ako yung magiging teacher mo ngayon. So, ngayon, araw, gusto ko makilala kayong lahat. Please stand up. I'm Demi Fortesa, 14 years of age. I live in Mandaluyong City. My favorite... Excuse me. Yes, quiet. Please be quiet.
Sorry po, miss.
My favorite subject is Filipino and my favorite color is pink. Thank you. Yes! Okay, stand up. So, again, your name is Demi Fortesa. Yeah. And you're 14 years old. Yes. And you live in? Mandaluyong City po. So, what is your favorite subject? Filipino po. So, why Filipino is your favorite subject? Dahil po, yun po yung nakasanayan mo. Tsaka doon po ko natuto doon po ko natuto kung paano natuto magsalita ng Tagalog. Are you a good student? Yeah. Yes po. Okay, sit down. Thank you po. Okay, sinong susunod? Hand up. Quiet. Go! You're dancing. Stop. May kati-kati ka mo sa puwet? Bakit ang likod-likod mo? Okay. Stand straight, boys. That's quiet. Quiet. Louder. Yes.
Yes, ma'am. I'm Gerald Bunagol, 15 years of age, ma'am.
Go back to your seat. Okay.
I came from Ateneo D. Manila. I live in Manulus, Bulacan.
So, what is your favorite subject?
Mathematics, ma'am.
Bakit mathematics?
I'm busy. Magaling dyan ako eh.
Okay, so, sample. 10 plus 20.
I'm simple. Hindi lang yan, ma'am.
Okay? 30 times 2.
60 lang yan, ma'am.
60 minus 40.
20 lang yan, ma'am.
20 times 20.
2. 20 times 21? Sure ka?
Yes.
Ma'am,
Iba na lang. 20 plus 30.
Tanongin nyo, mas magaling ako doon.
Okay, sit down. Thank you. Okay, you. Can you please put down your cellphone there?
Oh, thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Galing ko pala unang picture nyo, tapos nag-awak-awak kayo ng cellphone. Okay.
Text ko kasi yung girlfriend ko na mag-date kami mga gabi.
No text on class. Kindly close your cellphone. Off your cellphone.
Okay, mamaya.
Okay. Go.
I'm Carlo Mendoza.
Okay.
10 years of age. Ito po yun sa
Okay.
Belenbes. Batasan. Belenbes to. Batasan. Sales, Quezon City.
Okay. Okay. Go!
Tapos na.
Again.
I'm Carlo Mendoza.
Hey,
15
stop.
years of age. I live in Belenbes to. Batasan, Hills, Quezon City.
What is your favorite subject? Quiet class!
Math.
Bakit tuloy-tuloy yung math?
Siguro mga kung answer namin.
So, example. 10 times 2.
20.
20 plus 10? Aray.
200.
What?
100.
Stop laughing!
20 times 10 eh.
20
100.
plus 10.
Ay, plus 10.
Hindi na ba?
30. Ay, 30.
No. 30. 30 times 2.
30 times daw, 60.
60 times 2.
Nang sindabit. 120.
20 plus 50.
120 plus 350.
Okay, stop.
Ito sa sitin. 170.
Okay, sit down.
Thank you.
Ako yung tinuturo.
Okay, you want? Stand up. Okay. Okay. 5 plus 5.
Ma'am,
10.
nilulupot ako, ma'am.
10 times 2.
20.
20 plus 3.
23.
23 times 2.
23 times 2. 260.
23 times 2! That's quiet!
52.
What?
66.
What?
Ay, 46.
Okay. 46 plus 5.
6 plus 5 equals 40. 51.
Okay. Down.
Thank you.
Okay, what do you want? What do you want to say?
Ma'am, may tatanong na ako sa iyo.
Ay, may sinasabi siya. Ano yung sinasabi niya?
Crush kita.
Ano mo? Nakasagot.
Tumayo ka. Bastos ka.
Ano sinasabi ka? Sabi mo mag-CR ka.
Pupo daw siya eh.
Okay, go. Let me go.
Sulod, pasok.
There.
Ganun, ato siya sa
Joke lang po yan niya, ma'am. Patawa lang po niya yun kasi po, pasaway po ito eh.
Sampalin mo na.
Naputo po yung negosyo ng mga magulang niya, kaya po nagiging ganito.
Okay,
Nagiging
so now,
abnormal.
so ngayong araw, natapos na kayong pagpapakilala. Kindly, shake hands kayong lahat.
Carlos Miguel.
Dami ko, Tessa.
Alam mo, Carlos. Ito sa...
Ay, magano ka?
Sa pingin kita eh. Sir, boss ka.